Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harshita Art Imaginations. So today we are going to make cute bookmarks. To make cute bookmarks, you need brush pens, scissors, any shape puncher, highlighters, a A4 size white sheet and sketch pens. The first step to make bookmarks is take a white sheet, cut it into strips. Like this, you can see I have cut 8 thick strips from a A4 size sheet. So for the first bookmark, I am going to draw Harry Potter. You can see I have drawn my Harry Potter here. Now I will outline all the detail from black sketch or black marker. I have outlined my Harry Potter. Now I will color it with my brush pens. So here our Harry Potter bookmark is ready. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I have colored the hairs brown, the muffler in the Gryffindor house color red and yellow, and this part, coat or sweater, whatever you say, I have colored black. Now let's move on to the next bookmark. So in the next bookmark, I have taken these 3 tapes and put the tapes on my bookmark one by one color. See how beautiful they are looking. So now let's move on to the third bookmark. For the third bookmark, I will be using black acrylic color, flat paintbrush, silver gel pen or glitter pen and one strip. First of all, paint the whole paper strip with black color. Now you can see my bookmark is ready. First of all, I have painted the whole stripe black and then I add detailings with the silver pen. Like here I have made a diamond shape, and in below the diamond shape I have written shine bright, and it's looking awesome. Now let's move on to the fourth bookmark. For this bookmark, I will be making a background with watercolor. I will paint the background with blue and light green color. Like this, paint the background color. You all can see I have painted my background. Now let it dry. Now you can see with black marker I have written quote, "Earth without art is just earth." And our bookmark is ready. For the next bookmark, we will be using brush pens, paper strip and black marker. Here in this bookmark, I have drawn a cloud and some lines under it. Cut the top cloud part in the curve shape. Like this, cut your bookmark and fill the rainbow colors in these strips. You can see our rainbow bookmark is ready and it's looking good. Now let's move on to the sixth bookmark. For the sixth bookmark, take one strip and draw puzzle pieces on it. Like this, I have drawn puzzle pieces. Now color the puzzle pieces. For the last bookmark, we will be using scissors, tape, marker, white ribbon, two templates with these shapes and any decorative paper. First of all, to make this bookmark, take these two templates and cut these two shapes with the decorative sheet. Like this, I have cut these two shapes. Now, take a ribbon matching to it. I have taken the smallest size in the ribbon. I will cut according to the paper size. I will cut 15 centimeter piece of ribbon. Now, we will paste the ribbon to the paper from the back side. Now you can see I have stuck the ribbon to the paper pieces from the back side with the help of tape, and now you can see a beautiful, easy and simple paper tea bag bookmark is ready.